Hi, my name is Erica. I'm from the UK and I came to see Dr. Rajat Gupta for a breast uplift and a slight reduction. Well, India is a country that I'm very familiar with and love very much, but actually it's a decision that I've been thinking about for many years, but what actually gave me the sort of support and courage and trust to do it was that a very good friend of mine, which I didn't know at the time, had the procedure done with Dr. Rajat. And once I knew that, I could have a personal story and about the experience, her good experience, then I felt completely comfortable with the proceeding. The facilities, the treatments, the care has been absolutely top. I mean, the hospital was absolutely beautiful. The cleanliness, I felt completely at ease and comfortable and nurtured throughout. Hygiene has definitely been top, and yes, I'd say to anyone who'd be considering to have any kind of aesthetic surgeries that here in Delhi would be an absolutely safe option for you to do that. I'm very happy. Actually, when I saw first the day after the surgery, it was very emotional and I did cry. I was really happy and the shape was really beautiful actually. Yeah, I'm super happy about that and really looking forward to feeling more free, more like I've got my body and, you know, and all the choices you make. I know it sounds really shallow that you want to wear certain clothes, but it's like as a woman, it's so important to feel confident and natural, and the results that Dr. Rajat has given me are very natural. For me is really important, so I'm very happy. I would say that you know that you've given it good thought, if it's something that you've been thinking about for many years, and I would say just go for it, do it. I was really worried that I was doing something that was hurting my body, and that was something that played through my mind, but actually it feels more, now I'm the other side of it, it feels more like it's been an act of self-love, in fact, and I'm proud of myself, you know. Thank you so much. I feel really so much love, and it's all the team have just been so beautiful and natural and human, no robot style, which for me was so important from the first time I stepped in here and I met the team, and they were so natural and unstuffy and approachable and open. You know, you can look these lovely people here in the eye and they look you back, and that for me was actually very, very special and made me feel so much more relaxed about the following day in the surgery. So yes, thank you all of you, from the communication team to everyone. Thank you.